welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here, we invite you to subscribe so you won't miss out any of our videos. For today's video, we're going to do a beautiful hairstyle. It is perfect for formal or for any special event. So let's get started.
Okay, I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden treatment. Just one drop. I'm going to apply it all along the hair, especially in the ends. And the hair will be so shiny and ready to start doing our hairstyle. For today, guys, I was thinking on doing some soft waves for this hairstyle, but as soon as I start combing the hair, and you can see, wow, my girl today has beautiful waves. They are stunning and the hair looks gorgeous. I'm going to leave her natural hair just like that and doing nothing else. For the hairstyle, we're going to do a division on one side of the head. And then we're going to do another one from here to the ear. We're going to separate the hair, hold this piece at the front, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side, following the same division. Now we're going to comb the back section. I'm going to spray the hair with hairspray, and we're going to comb the top section so the hair will be smooth. Now we're going to grab a big section of hair from side to side, comb it well, and next I'm going to twist the hair a little bit to the right side, and we're going to push it up just a little bit so we can have some volume on the top. In here, I'm going to pull the hair just a little bit. You can do it as well to create the volume that you want. Now that it's ready, we're going to hold it with bobby pins. In here, I'm going to use a bun pin. And now for the others, I'm going to use bobby pins, and we're going to put them like a cross. They have to go in the opposite direction from the first bun pin so the hair will be firm. And in here you can fix the top a little bit as well. I'm going to add some more volume, and that's all. For the next step, we're going to grab this section, spray the hair with hairspray. We're going to comb it very well. In here I'm going to leave out some small hairs. And now we're going to bring back this section into the other side. In here we can hold it with bobby pins, and we're going to place them in a cross so the hair will be firm. On the other side, we're going to spray the hair as well with hairspray. Comb the hair. And now in this section, I'm going to pull the hair up a little bit to add some more volume so the hairstyle won't be looking too tight. And now we're going to hold this section in here, and we're going to pin it in place because I want it to stay firm. This is the first one, and I'm going to put the other bobby pin in a cross shape. Perfect. For the next step, we will need a comb. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to flip up the hair. Bring it to the other side. I'll show you. And in here, flip the hair inside again, and we're going to hold it with bobby pins. This is the first one. And now I'm going to hold this one with another bobby pin, and they will be like a cross. Perfect. Now you can use as many bobby pins as you need until you feel that the hair is firm. In here I still notice that I can see one of the bobby pins, so I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to put it again. This time I'm going to push it up so it will be hidden. For the remaining hair, I'm going to spray the hair with hairspray. You have to be generous because I want the hair to keep the texture during the whole day. Comb it very well, and that's all. Here we have our beautiful hairstyle.
Okay guys, this is all for today. I really hope you like this hairstyle. If so, please give us a big thumbs up and follow us as well on Facebook and Instagram. See you on the next video. Bye!
Bye!